Hello and welcome to Magic AutoCAD. In this part of tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw a juice glass with juice inside. So let's get started. Before you start working, please make sure your units are adjusted to centimeters. So firstly, we go to the line command. Then let's come here quickly and make a line here and type in a length of 10 centimeters. Enter, then escape, and we go to the circle. Then let's make a circle here of diameter 5. Enter, then we select the circle and we move it from this intersection point to this end point. Then now let's copy this. Let's create a copy of this. Let's copy from up. Then we come down to the center, we move down and at intersection. Then now we go to the trim command. Enter. Then let's trim this part. Okay, so you see that we are left with this other part. Then we go back to the line command. I would like us to activate, let's activate angle 5. Okay, let's activate angle 5. Then we click here, we move here to type in 3. Enter. Then we turn back and at horizontal to type in 3.5. Enter. Then we move vertically upward and we click somewhere there. Just click anywhere up there. Then now I like us to join this to this arc and this line. J, enter for join. Then we'll go to the offset command and type in an offset of 0.3. Enter. Then let's make an offset here of 0.3 inward. Then we select this line and we stretch it to intersect with this one. Okay, there we are. Then from here let's move up here and we'll go to the 3-point arc. Then we click here, move upward, we click and we click at this point. Then from here we select all the members, we select including this and this, except this axial line. Okay, this line is supposed to be an axial line, so we don't need to join with these ones. And J for join. Then from here I would like us to go to the isometric view. Then let's turn the script off. Then now let's go on the modeling, we drop this down and we click on the revolve command. Then we select this part to be revolved, enter. Then now we click up here and we bring it right down here and we click. So we're gonna have a revolve. Then we type in a revolve angle of 360. Enter. Then let's go to shade it to see what we got. So we're gonna have something like this. So I like us to rotate. Okay, we rotate it up at 90 degrees. Okay, escape. Then let's delete this line. Then let's orbit to see what we got. Okay, so we had something like this. From here, let's move forward to visualize to apply material. We click on material, then this material is gonna pop up. Then now let's go straight to select glass. Fortunately, we are on glass. Then here let's select. Then now you can apply any glass color that you want. Okay, you can apply any glass color that you want, so it depends on you. Okay, it depends on you. You can apply any glass color that you want. Okay, sorry. So if you take this one, yeah, so let's take this transparent. Then from here, let's go back to the home and we go to the circle. Let's draw a circle here and give a diameter of 5. Okay, let's try to orbit somewhere there. Very good. Then we go to the extrude command. Let's select the circle to extrude. Yeah, so at this point we are trying to produce the juice inside. Okay, then let's click somewhere there. Then now let's try to orbit a bit. Then now let's go to take on liquid. Yeah, let's select liquid. Then sorry, then I would like us to take let's select this member, then we go to liquid. Okay, so it depends on you. It depends on the color of the juice that you want to apply. Okay, it depends on you, the color of juice you want to apply. Okay, then let's keep seeing the colors, please. Okay, so I think we should apply this one that is visible. So if you render the color, if you render this work, you're gonna see the real color. Okay, so we just apply the material and we haven't rendered. So if you render, you see the real color. Thanks very much guys for watching. See you in our next tutorial, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.